Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. This is Ogonwadi. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I want to show you how I make my minced beef spaghetti. Let me introduce you to the ingredients. So this is my minced meat. I'm using beef today. I have carrots, spring onions, regular onions. I have ginger, salt. I have tomato paste. I poured a little water just to release its thickness. I have green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and I have a little tomato that I cut. I have my stock cube. I have ground pepper, thyme, paprika, curry. You can also use soy sauce in this recipe if you want to. I'm going to be using olive oil. So now I'm going to pour a generous amount of olive oil in the pot. The first thing I want to do is make my sauce. I already have the spaghetti. I boiled it a little bit, like 80% to be done, so that it will be faster for me. So while I'm waiting for this, I'm going to be separating the beef. So when I put it in the pan, okay, so I separate this. I'm going to be using 2 burners to make things go faster. This is for the sauce. This is going to be to kind of fry the minced beef. Just put a little oil in your pan, and I'm going to allow it to warm up, and then I'm going to add the minced beef over here while I prepare the sauce here. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding my onions and ginger and my spring onions. Now mix them. Okay, so now I'm adding my onions. I already added the ginger. Make sure your light is on medium. I'm also going to add onions on this other side. Okay, so I'm going to put in the tomato paste. No, it's not easy to multitask, but you got to do this. Now on this frying pan, I'm going to be adding the minced meat. When you see the meat start turning pink, turning to like brown, you know it's ready. Okay, so now I can go ahead and add a little bit of salt from both of them. I don't have stock, so I'm going to be adding a lot of thyme. If you have a beef or chicken stock, you go ahead and use them. This is curry called dukrus from Nigeria. I'm only just using this container because that's what I have to pour it in. Put some curry. You can skip the paprika, but it's very important. It's very, important, I would say, for that nice color and taste. I put some black pepper. I put some here also. This is my minced beef going, and like a tablespoon of chicken stock, since I do not have the one that I bought from the chicken. So you mix together, and now I'm going to go ahead and put in the green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and the tomato, and stir together. Okay guys, you can see the meat is kind of ready now. That pinkish color has disappeared. And let's check on this. Alright. You could adjust your seasoning here if you want to. Let's see. Okay. Good enough. I'm going to throw in my carrot. Smells so nice, guys. Give this a try. Alright, I'm just going to allow it to sizzle for like 3 more minutes, and then I add the spaghetti to it. Guys, I forgot to tell you, I like to add garlic, so I'm just going to put a little bit of it. Garlic is medicinal too. It helps with the sugar. It helps with the blood pressure. Okay, that should be fine. So we're almost there. We're almost there. At this time, I'm going to be adding the minced beef to the sauce. And to that, I have my Scotch bonnet pepper, which I pre-blended. You can skip that if you don't like spice. And just allow 2 minutes for them to, mix together. So finally, it's time to add the spaghetti. I don't think I'm going to use all this. It might be too much, so my sauce can go around. While you're adding it, you turn to make sure you mix it. You stir. Make sure the spaghetti is well coated with the sauce. You see, that's why I cook the spaghetti for like 80% until done, so that the remaining 20% will be now with the other, with the sauce and every other thing together. Let me just add a little bit more. Alright, so I'm going to just give it like 5 more minutes to cook together. And so guys, this is it. My minced beef spaghetti. I'm just going to dish out this portion. I'm so tempted to eat it, but it's super hot right now. So, and that's how I make my spaghetti minced beef. Thank you so much for joining me. Please click on the like button. Tap on that notification bell to get notified anytime I upload recipes. And also give this a try. Leave me a comment. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you to my subscribers, the returning ones. I appreciate you. The new ones, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and it's bye from Ogonwadi. Bye-bye.